Hello again. Watch as John revisits the rear quarter panel and surrounding structure.
So this is the replacement fender. Again, it's a full quarter panel rear fender. So what I'm doing is just seeing how much of the car is included in this panel. So I know where to cut. So I'm going to be cutting across here, roughly. I got to undo all these welds along this edge. But for now, I'm just going to cut, something like this. Down here. This all goes, this goes with it, and then it, as you can see, it kind of, here is what I'm looking at. Again, I'll leave a little bit here. I'll leave a little bit there, so I can kind of pry this piece away from the inner fender without mauling it. Excuse my fingers and stuff, I'm messing with a pen here. So looking at the replacement fender, it comes down, that's roughly where the seam is, the factory seam, so to speak. So again, I'm gonna leave, inch, 2 inches of margin as I cut this panel out. I don't wanna cut into something that I need. But then I'll get rid of this panel. So again, I got to cut around here because I still got to pry this piece of outer quarter panel away from the inner fender without messing up this flange that goes around here. That'll kind of be the challenge. So got to be a little bit careful there. So let's get at cutting this thing out and see how we do.
Okay, John. Let's get the rest of this old quarter panel off.
So I've just been clearing off the paint, and that exposes these rivets. Not rivets, I'm sorry, spot welds. So I know where to drill those out to get the quarter panel off. And if we look down here, I'll have to get similarly under here. And then I don't know if these, what is that that's going on in there? Well, there's something going on in there, but I'll see if that affects me. But I think the quarter panel I'm going to cut somewhere in here. There's some sort of felt. Sorry, if I look at it, it would help. There's some sort of felt thing here. I got to try and remember. I want to put this back together. Other than that, just start continuing to clean this issue up. Just as a side note, that's the panel that I just cut out. You saw me cut that out. Don't throw it away. Useful sheet metal for fixing little other pieces that need welding in. Well, we are done with that task. I've got all the flanges cut away around here. So we can view this piece is in good shape. Just machine down those rivets. This piece is good here. I still gotta drill out those rivets on this flange. That'll allow me to get this piece off. This is the piece that's seeing better days. So I'll be replacing this, pretty much the whole thing. That'll be taken care of. I might have to clean that up a little bit, weld something in there. What do we got here? This is good. This is the floor of the trunk. And then when I got the quarter panel off, lo and behold, there's rot through here. So I'll replace like this much of it. This all seems to be good, as ugly as it looks. So we can clean that up. As I said, this whole piece from here to here is going to be replaced with something I took off the donor vehicle. So with that, let's start by putting this piece in. So here's that patch done and tidied up. Just again, preliminary coated. Had to move on to other stuff, but they got a good fit. I checked the quarter panel on it and everything fits real good.
Goodbye, viewers. Please come visit us again soon.